County in eastern New York until 4:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 3:12 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Forestport, or near Boonville, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Old Forge, Inlet, Eats Lake Campground, Limecombe Lake Campground, Eagle Bay, McKeever, Nix Lake Campground, Alger Island Public Campground, Russian Lake, Atwell, Minnehaha, Vendara, Carter Station, First Lake, Wolf Lake Landing, and Mountain Lodge. A tornado watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for eastern New York. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in New York, Hamilton, and Herkimer. You are listening to NOAA Weather Radio KSC43, the voice of the National Weather Service, broadcasting the latest weather forecasts, warnings, and other information 24 hours a day. KSC43 is brought to you with the cooperation of New York State Department of Environmental Conservation, Warren County, and Gore Mountain Ski Center. KSC43 is coming to you from a tower on Gore Mountain in northwest Warren County, New York, at 162.450 MHz, and serves most of the Adirondacks of New York to adjacent western Vermont. This program is provided by your National Weather Service office in Albany, New York, on the campus of the University of Albany. The National Weather Service in Albany has issued a severe thunderstorm warning